We'll guide you through how to use the new Moon Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the new Moon Trello website. Once there, you'll need to log in with your account, or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here, you can see all of your boards. To create a new board, look for the Create New Board button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a pop-up will appear. Enter a name for your board and choose a background color or image to personalize it. Once that's done, click Create, and your new board will appear on your dashboard. Now, let's add some lists to organize your tasks. Click on Add a List on your board. Type in the name of your list, like To Do, In Progress, or Done, and press Enter. You can add as many lists as you need to suit your workflow. Next, let's add some cards, which are the individual tasks or items. Click on Add a Card under the list you created. Enter a title for your task and hit Add Card. To add more details to a card, click on it. Here you can include a description, set due dates, and add comments or attachments. You can also assign members to tasks by clicking Members and selecting from your team. This helps everyone know who's responsible for what. Additionally, you can use labels to categorize your cards by color. This makes it easier to visually sort and identify tasks. To move cards between lists, just click and drag them to the desired position. This is useful for tracking the progress of tasks. Remember, Trello is all about flexibility, so feel free to customize your boards and cards to fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.